When I started my affiliate marketing journey, the hardest part was making content, making videos, because I didn't like showing my face on video and I did not like talking on video for sure. But as I've gone along, I've become a little more comfortable on camera and talking. But I want to tell you, don't stress out and don't make it as difficult as I did, because honestly, you just want to share your story. You want to share your journey of where you're starting and where you're going and why. And guys, just make videos around everything you do in life. As you can see here, I'm just getting ready for my daily it's my daily routine. I'm getting ready for the day. You can do a video like this. You can talk, you can share your story, you can share tips, trips, but you want to share you want to make sure people know, like, and trust you. And then guys, you can also do a video like this and just put words across it. But again, share your journey, share, solving a problem. What's it going to do for you, and what's the benefits of it? So you want to share all that information, but don't stress out. Don't make it so hard.